Greetings everyone, I am Anvi and with me I have Urmi and Urvansh. We are the casting directors of an upcoming film and today we are taking auditions for the lead actors. We are super excited and we hope we find the appropriate actors for the appropriate roles.
What is your biggest dream in the future?
My biggest dream in the future is to become an Air Force pilot.
Why do you want to be an Air Force pilot?
So first I had interest in airplanes, so then after that I thought I could serve my country by becoming an Air Force pilot.
शाबाश बेटा.
Audition number 2, camera rolling and action.
What is the best advice you have ever received?
So the best advice which I've ever received is from my parents. So once what happened, I went to grocery shop and there I had to buy some product. So my mother gave me 500 rupees note for going. But unfortunately, I lost those rupees note and I got panic. I was in a panic mode and I was like, oh yaar, ये क्या हो गया? And then I noticed it. Then I went back to my mother and my mother said, where are the groceries and why are you in a panic mode? I told my mother that this happened with me. So my mother said, okay, nothing happens. Somebody needed more than you. So from that I got advice and this actually helped me in my every stage of my life, in which I got that we should not panic and we should always think for the positive side of our future, for our things.
Camera rolling. Action.
If you could create a new holiday, what would it be?
If I could create a new holiday, it would be lazy day.
ऐसे तो नहीं होता है.
This is Urvansh, director of this film, taking audition number 4. Camera rolling, action.
If you could have any superpower in the world, what would it be and why?
If I could get a superpower, it would be mind reading, because I want to know what is going inside the mind of people and are they feeling good from inside if they are showing like a smiling face from outside.
But don't you think that they can hide some personal things which only they should know and other people should not interfere in their personal life? So how would you deal with that?
I will not respond anything about it if they feel something bad about someone.
So you will just ignore it.
If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you travel and why?
If I could travel anywhere in the world, I would like to go to Manali because it is a hill station and it is close to nature. And I like to going places which are close to the nature.
Would you play with the snow?
If I found, then I would.
Why not Netherlands? Why not Canada?
I would like to go to Manali only and not foreign because right now the schools are going on and I don't have that much time to go to foreign.
भाई मजा आया.
What do you think is the most important thing to learn in life?
I think the most important thing to learn in life are basic manners, because if you have basic manners, people will be more drawn and attracted to you. And especially we as humans, we crave social interaction, and people will only want to be interacted with you if you have a kind heart and good manners. And if nobody interacts with you, you will all you will be is alone, and you may suffer from social anxiety or depression.
What act of kindness can you do for someone today?
I would like to help someone in need by giving him a bundle of clothes, food, or toys.
Yes, it's really important to do that and it's very kind also.
Action.
If you could create a new school subject, what would it be?
If I could create a new school subject, it would definitely be Spanish, because I'm a big fan of music and 5 to 6 of my favorite songs are in Spanish. So in order to learn what the lyric means, I would love to learn Spanish.
If you could write a song about anything, what would it be?
I am really good at music, and if I would get an opportunity to write a song, that would be great. And I would definitely write a song about the students who have already passed out the school and wish them good luck for their journey.